What's up guys, Trader Neil here, back at you with another crypto video. So today we're going to be looking at the quote-unquote big three, the three biggest coins in the crypto space, I will say: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. So before we get started, before I start looking at the price action for these different coins, if you guys could just like this video, subscribe to my channel at Trader Neil. We are so close to 2,000 subscribers, guys. I think we could hit it by the end of the month if we just keep trucking along, so I would very much appreciate that. And then of course hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my future updates and future videos. Sweet guys, let's get started with Bitcoin here. So Bitcoin here on the daily chart is looking like it is just chopping around. How surprising, guys. So last time we looked at Bitcoin, it was pretty much in this zone down here. And I was pretty much telling you guys that, Bitcoin looks like it's ready for a potential bounce. And we did get a bounce on BTC. Only thing is on the daily candle yesterday, Bitcoin rejected off of this point of control here, as you guys can see on this volume profile. And this daily candle wasn't so hot. As you guys can see, you have this large wick to the upside and this negative closure here. Not really what you want to see for positive price action and for confidence for buyers. So what am I thinking here for Bitcoin going forward? Personally, guys, I would like to see BTC close a daily candle above at least 63.5, because as you guys can see, looking left on this range, anytime you close candles above these levels here at 63.5, you can have nice pushes to the upside all the way to high 68s to 69k. As you can see, it's a very strong support resistance level. Close above it here, push to 68k, close above it here, push to 68k, and close above it here. At least you got to push up to high 66s. So you guys get the idea there. What would I like to see in the meantime if we cannot get another push to the upside here? Well, lower time frames, in my opinion, guys, I would not be surprised to see a bit of a pullback. I've got these naked point of controls marked on my chart, which could be potential scalp trades that you guys could take. However, a big area of interest that I have is last week's low coming up here at this naked point of control around 61.87. That's the previous week low, and I would like to see the liquidity swept one more time at these lows before potentially going higher. That's one scenario I'm looking at. If that doesn't hold, guys, if last week's lows and 60k doesn't hold, then an area of interest that I really have comes in here at this daily level at around 58k. That combined with the higher time frame range value area low here, as you guys can see, and another daily level right below it, would be a nice swing trade opportunity. Do I think we get this? A lot of times when I see such a clean trade opportunity here with lots of confluence, I a lot of times find that to be front ran. And so a very logical front run area would be these lows at around 60k. Do we get those lows? Of course, I'm not a fortune teller, wish I was. However, at the same time, if we do get a move down to them, I think personally, I'll probably be bidding those lows. Before we move on to the ETH analysis, guys, I just wanted to let you guys know that if you want to trade Bitcoin or any of these altcoins with me, I've got a link to Femex in the description below. They're a fantastic crypto exchange. I've been partnered with them for over a year, and I've got a great discount for you guys if you sign up with my affiliate link. You guys get a nice discount on maker and taker fees and some great welcome bonuses, and you guys will be eligible to join my next trading competition. So would very much appreciate that. Let's go ahead now and take a look at Ethereum here. So ETH on the daily chart, guys. The biggest thing that I want to see for Ethereum bulls here is if we can get a daily close back above 2440. So as you guys can see, that is a big resistance that we've been battling with the last 2 days on Ethereum. Yesterday, wicked above that level but couldn't close above it. As you guys can see, that's a pretty big level of support resistance. You got rejected there previously in the past, and the last 2 days have failed to close above it. And so right here on Ethereum is a pretty big level for me that I want to see flipped into support. In my opinion, guys, if Ethereum can flip this 2440 level into support, you don't have a lot going for you in terms of bearishness until you come up to this point of control in value area high or around high 2600s, because yesterday's wick pretty much filled this daily FVG here. So honestly, I wouldn't be surprised to see Ethereum actually and finally get a push up to these highs if we can have a nice daily close here. Do we have a good daily close here on ETH? Is it going to happen? I am not sure. You know, ETH is one of those coins, guys, I don't want to lie to you, that has been quite disappointing this cycle in terms of price action. You know, it is the second biggest crypto in terms of market cap still. However, at the same time, you know, there's been, in my opinion, a lot better coins to trade, especially like Solana, you know, especially like BNB. A lot of these other bigger, higher cap coins have been better in terms of price action and cleaner. Ethereum is one of those coins that I personally find to be pretty disappointing in terms of strength. If you're shorting, Ethereum has been the one to look to short. So what will I say here, guys? You know, if we can't get a daily close above 2440 today, then I think a move down to this daily order block, this value area low, would be a nice level to bid, and you would still be holding daily trend. So this is one big area of interest that I have on Ethereum. All right. And then lastly, let's take a look at Solana here. So Solana is in the eternal range. I will say though, at least compared to a lot of other coins, guys, Solana still has been holding these 120 lows extremely well. As you guys can see, we've never closed a daily pretty much below 125 here. Ever since you put in that daily low here back in March, as you can see, even right here, we pretty much closed at the exact same price at the beginning of September. So Solana has been one of the strongest coins out there. I know there's a lot of Solana haters out there. Say what you will about the community, but this coin has been strong. What will I say in terms of current price action? Well, looking at Sol here, you do have a bit of a ascending triangle here potentially. And so what bulls would like to see is, and what I would personally like to see here on Sol, another move down potentially to test this demand line where you have this daily order block zone, and then higher would be a nice trade opportunity for me. Personally, if you don't get this and price action dips through this, then I would be much more cautious on Sol. If this daily trend to the upside doesn't hold, then I would be starting to look at these lower prices at 121. Next, you've got a daily level here on Sol, about right here at 124, right above range lows. So this pretty much would be the next zone I would be personally looking to bid on Solana if this upwards demand line does not hold. But so far so good on Sol. I think honestly, guys, a lot of these altcoins are waiting for Bitcoin to make a decision in terms of lower time frame direction to the upside or to the downside. And so we will see how things go. But overall, I am bullish on this market. We are going into Q4, a traditionally bullish time in the markets, guys. And, you know, I'm not one to fade trends and historical data. So if you guys stuck around to the end of this video, put the code word Doge in the comment section below, just so I know you guys are a real one. I really appreciate you watching this video all the way up to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed the big three analysis here. This is Trader Neil signing out. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys for another video very soon. Peace.